just to drive home the point of what we're actually doing, if you right-click any element in the web page and click Inspect, the Elements tab will automatically highlight which of the HTML tags is responsible for producing this title. So as you notice, if I hover over this H1, notice the title of the book is now highlighted over here. Also, notice if I can double-click and actually change the text of the H1 tag. And then when I just click outside it, the text automatically changes. So that's what we're doing in JavaScript. We are changing it dynamically. So let me refresh the page, and this time I'll do the same thing except using JavaScript in the console. So first we need to grab this H1 tag. Well, how are we going to do that? First, let's right-click this because we want to inspect it, because we want to see how we can grab it. In this case, they don't seem to have an ID, but they do have a class, and I'm hoping this class is unique enough. So let me copy that class name, Control-C to copy. Let me go into the console, and I'll say something like this. Let heading equals document.query. And because we're using a class, and because we're using query selector, we need a dot, Control-V to paste. And so now heading should have our H1 tag and everything inside that. So let's test that out. Type in heading, enter, and it outputs H1 tag, which means we now have the power to change whatever we want in there. So let's change the text using the textContent method. Heading dot textContent equals, and we'll set it to something. And as soon as I hit enter, watch the title over here, French fries.